Programming a smart key fob for your 2014 to 2016 Chevy Impala can be done at home without special tools. These models use GM's passive keyless entry system, relying on RFID technology. To program your fob, first, ensure all doors are closed and no keys are in the ignition. Insert the key and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off 3 times within 10 seconds. Immediately press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The vehicle's lights should flash to confirm pairing. Repeat for additional fobs. The system can store up to 8 fobs. If this method fails, ensure your fob battery isn't depleted. If DIY programming fails, common issues include a dead fob battery, which accounts for 70% of key fob problems according to experts, a faulty body control module, or electromagnetic interference. Always ensure you're using an OEM or GM-approved fob to avoid compatibility issues. The automotive industry is trending toward digital and smartphone-integrated keys, reducing reliance on physical fobs. While the 2014-2016 Impala relies on physical fobs, keep an eye out for aftermarket adapters for phone-based keys as technology evolves. For now, DIY programming remains a viable option with numerous online tutorials available. If unsure, consult a professional, as faulty programming can disable the vehicle.